warriors, it's time for fun, exciting, challenging, and interesting lesson. Be with me today as we learn together about integers. This is your teacher Maricel. Learn with me. To understand about integers, let us know number line. A number line is a line drawn starting from 0 and which extends to both sides without ends. 0 in the number line is what we call the origin. From 0, we have the numbers to its right. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. These numbers are what we call the positive integers. It extends infinitely to the right of 0. To the left of 0, we have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on. These numbers are what we call the negative integers. It extends infinitely to the left of 0. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Those numbers in the number line are what we call the integers. Integer, it is a whole number, not a fraction, that can be positive, negative, or 0. Again, an integer is a whole number, not a fraction. Okay, so we have this. We call these numbers positive integer. Written with or without positive sign. Is greater than 0. The numbers to the right of 0. And the value increases as numbers move farther from 0. Again, the positive integers. These numbers to the left of 0, we call it the negative integer. Is written with negative sign. It's less than 0, numbers to the left of 0, and the value decreases as number move farther from 0. The negative integers. So easy, isn't it? The integers, we have the positive and the negative integers. Okay? So, integers helps to represent real life situation. For example, the profits and losses of money. The location above and below sea level. Or the increase and decrease in temperature. And many more. Example here. A situation like this, a profit of 1,000 pesos. How are we going to write that in or as integer? It's 1,000 or positive 1,000. Again, we have 155 feet below sea level. It is negative 155. A loss of 8 pounds is negative 8. A deposit of 5,000 in the bank. It is 5,000 or positive 1,000. 5,000 rather. Let's try this one. Let's have an example. I know you have followed our lesson. You understood it well. Okay. Read each item carefully and choose the correct answer. Okay, let's do this. Which of the following is not an integer? Is it 0, 1/2, 11, or negative 25? Which is not an integer? The answer is 1/2. Correct. Integer again is a whole number, not a fraction. Okay, let's have another. Which of the following integers below is a negative integer? Which is a negative integer? Is it 8, positive 3, 0, or negative 12? The answer is Negative 12, correct. Very good. Okay, so take note, for negative integer, we have the negative sign beside it. Now let's move to number 3. Which sets are positive integers? Is it A, negative 3, negative 6, negative 9? Or letter B, 0, 2, 4, 6? Or C, 1, 2, 3, 4? Which sets are positive integers? The answer is letter C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. It's not letter B because 0 is not or neither positive or negative integer. It's neither of the two. So it's not letter B. Okay? Again, lesson number 4. Weight loss of 3 kilograms. How are we going to represent that as integer? Is it positive 3 or negative 3? Answer is negative 3, correct. Okay, let's have number 5. An elevation of 1,050 feet. Is it A, positive 1,050 or B, negative 1,050? An elevation of 1,050 feet. The answer is A, positive 1,050. Very good. Okay, let's keep on moving. Let's have another. 350 feet above sea level. Is it A, 350 or B, negative 350? Answer is letter A, positive 350. Very good. Okay, one last. A loss of 830 pesos. A loss of 830 pesos. So how are we going to represent that? We have A, positive 830 or B, negative 830. The answer is negative 830. Very good. You are all excellent. Well done, math heroes. Keep on learning. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, so again, to end up this, before I end up, I want to share to you this. Commit everything you do to the Lord. Trust Him, and He will help you. This is your teacher, Maricel A. Aguilar, saying thank you for learning with me. God bless everyone.